What do you think? Will the price go up or down in next move? In this video, I show you exactly step by step how to analyze price action and how to predict the price action so that you can do this in your own trading and trade with more confidence. And I bet you, till now you are trading price action wrongly. And after this video, you'll be the first one to enter into price action. So watch this video till end. Price action is like ocean. It consists of chart pattern, candlestick pattern, support resistance and trend line. I already made videos on some of these topics separately. You can check these videos on playlist, and in coming days more videos will come. Here I only cover how to trade per price action using high and low. First I discuss about buying strategy, and after that I'll discuss about selling strategy. All we know that market never goes in a straight line. It always trades in a zigzag line. If we consider this zigzag line is a downtrend, then we can clearly identify that these are lower high and these are lower low. After sometimes market breaks the previous high. Here buyers trying to push the market up. Immediately sellers come in and take the market downward, but unable to break the previous low. Till this scenario, we'll just observe the market. Here we get higher high formation and a low that does not break. Now we draw a channel. When any candle breaks this channel, we enter into trade and we put stop loss below this channel low. I know you are confused. Let's go to example. After that, it will be cleared. Before enter into price action, first check stock or index or other instruments in higher time frame, as I will trade price action on 15 minutes. So I check trend in daily time frame first. In this chart, stock trading in strong uptrend in daily time frame. Now I go to smaller time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, stock trending in downtrend with lower high and lower low. In smaller time frame, stock trending totally opposite to the higher time frame. So, I will enter into trade when smaller time frame and higher time frame both will trade in same direction. I mean, when both are trading in upward direction. Now, stock breaks the previous high. Here, we get higher high. Now, we will wait for a little correction without breaking the previous low. We'll draw a channel here. When any candle breaks this channel, we'll enter into trade and put stop loss below this channel. In this strategy, don't hurry to book profit. Just trail your stop loss from swing to swing. If you think this strategy gives you more profit, then wait. You should watch my selling strategy. As selling comes due to panic, so it's give more profit than buying. Selling strategy is just opposite to buying strategy with some tricks. Let's learn with diagram. If we consider this diagram a strong uptrend, then you can clearly identify higher high and higher low. Now we'll wait for previous low break. Here low breaks and market takes a pullback. We get lower low and lower high. If this pullback breaks this high, then our setup will be failed. Now just draw a channel. When any candle breaks this channel, we'll enter into trade and place stop loss below this channel. Let's understand with an example. First of all, we check stock in daily time frame. In this time frame, stock trading in strong downtrend. Now we go to smaller time frame like 5 minutes and 15 minutes. In this 15 minutes chart, stock trading in uptrend with higher high and higher low. This is totally opposite to the higher time frame. So we'll wait for lower high and lower low formation to enter into trade. After some moves, stock breaks the previous low and forms lower low. After that, take a pullback and consolidate. Here we can also observe that during pullback, stock does not break the previous high. If it breaks this high, then our setup will be failed. Now draw a channel here. Any candle breaks this channel, we will enter into trade and put stop loss above this channel. Don't hurry to book profit. Just trail your stop loss. Okay, this is all what I keep in mind during price action trading. Now it's your turn to learn it properly and trade with proper risk management and money management. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. If you have enjoyed this video, then please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends and family. If you want to earn daily profit, then you should watch these strategy videos. Happy trading!